참 고맙다 만드는 사양할게 사실 나서 터지니까 그래 솔직히 지금 기분도 참 뭐 같으니까 아요 나보고 멀었더라.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a first time listening to BTOB. I did one song of theirs. It's on my channel. I did their very first song. I think it's called Insane. So I had a lot of comments to tell me to keep reacting to them. So today I will be reacting to more songs from BTOB. Instead of just reacting to one song, I would like to add multiple songs to this video, and hopefully I could learn more about them and discover more about their abilities and what they bring to the table, because especially they've collaborated with Stray Kids and 80s, and oh my god, the members that they have in their groups is so good. And I like Peñal. Peñal is such a good dude. If you could go just watch some of his stuff, like I know it's not the real or feel oh, what the fuck was it? I know it's a podcast with BM and somebody, I forgot who it is, but Peñal is on it and he's so cool. Anyway, let's check it out. This one is called Wow from BTOB. Let's check it out. (2012) Holy fuck, that's old. What is that hair? Damn, Peñal. This is not strong vocally. I thought it was gonna be a different type of vibe from them. This is a typical K-pop song. It's not bad. Insane was a good debut, and then they switched to this, which was weird. Interesting. Groovin'. What the fuck was that? Interesting. Damn, Peñal. Woo! Interesting. Wow. Interesting, dude. Wow. I did not see it going this way at all. Wow. Interesting. That's just speechless. Very speechless from that. Let's check out the next song, man. Anyway, that song, I feel like anyone can do wow, right? Any group can do wow. Anyone can pull it off, but not anyone can pull off Insane. I feel like Insane is such a B2B song. Just from what people have told me about them, like how vocally strong they are. Insane is such a good debut just to show off that kind of power they have. But they switched to wow, and wow it's not a bad song, but it's not something I would have expected from BTOB from just hearing what people are commenting about them. Interesting. Let's check out Thriller. Thriller. It's gonna be another dark song. Oh my god. Tell me that did not just remind you of who was it? TOP or G-Dragon from Fantastic Baby? The way they just showed up. Right there. Oh my god. Oh, I like the song. Also, I like this guy a lot. Looks good. He's not insane too. I'm sorry, it's such a good debut that it's hard to not compare it to Insane. But this is good. Oh, I like this guy a lot. Woo! Minyak, Utah. Woo! Oh yes! Oh yeah, I like this song more than the previous song. I feel like they were more versatile in the song with their voices. And I love rapping, and the rapping in this song is fucking good. Woo! Fuck yeah, that was good. That was good. You can tell it's an old song, but still, goddamn, goddamn, Triller. That was good shit, dude. What's the next song? Beep beep, beep beep. God, dude. Who's the two rappers? The one with the white hair and the one with the red hair. I know it. I think it's a Minyak, but they call him. Oh my god, call him like Utah, right? He was in Mayfly paint colors song. I forgot what it was called. I think it was Colors. It was good. He did good on that. All right, we're on to the next song. It's called Beep Beep. Let's get it. Is that an ad? So far, I thought they were just gonna be all vocally song. Like, this is not like vocal songs. This is like regular K-pop pop songs. Oh my god, he looks so young. Wow. Oh god, I love his voice. Oh, I love his rapping voice so much. Dude, his voice reminds me of BTOB, and that's a compliment because I love BTOB's like sound too. I feel like they're the only group that's had girls in all their music video. Because today, no one does that anymore. Because, you know, the fans get mad. Oh yeah, I fuck with this song. Ah, it's good. Yeah, they have two rappers, dude. Oh yeah, I like this guy too. Woo, fuck yeah. I love their looks too, man. I like that a lot. That was good. That was good. Good job, BTOB. That was good. For a group that was commented a lot that they had a really strong vocal group, they were a very vocally strong group. you'd never expected that they also had good rapping in this group. Like, goddamn, I actually really love the rapping in this group. Like, I really do. Because one of their voices, Minyak, I think, he just reminded me so much of. This is not supposed to be bad. It's good. That it reminded me of TOP, and everybody loves TOP's sound. Like, that sound in rapping is just so nice. And the way, I think it's his name is Minyak, right? The way he raps is just so nice. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. All right. That was good. All right. That's all I got for today. BTOB. Good stuff, man. I wish you had another song that was just like insane, because I loved Insane. But there's 3 songs. You know, I think they just went with the trend. It's not a bad thing, because going along with the trend during the time that you release the song is good for you to make money. It's how people catch you as a group or follow you as a group if your song sounds catchy as fuck. And they did good in that aspect. But in the aspect of releasing a song like Insane with your very first song and not going back to that, it's just weird to me, because I feel like that could have been their signature sound. But then again, probably I think, yeah, which Cube, maybe Cube wanted them to switch it just so they could be more trendy, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's fine. Everything's fine. All right. That's all I got. Good songs, great songs. Beep Beep was fucking bop. Let's get it. If you have any other songs or music videos you want to listen to, please comment down below. If you like that song, please leave a like. If you wanna keep up to date to what I'm reacting to, subscribe so you get notified. And if you wanna check out some exclusive stuff, check out my Patreon. Also, thank you to all my patrons for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it. All right, that's all I got for today. Peace.
만드는 사이에 낮게 사실 나서 터지니까 그래 솔직히 지금 기분도 참 뭐 같으니까 아요 나보고 멀었더라